Before we see each letter, here's a short introduction to the Hebrew alphabet. As explained in a previous video, Hebrew is written from right to left. We also learned that there are 22 letters in the Hebrew alphabet, and they are all consonants. Please also note that some letters change their sound when there is a dot. This dot is called dagesh. Also, some letters change their forms when they are at the end of a word. These variant end forms are called sofit. And finally, it's also important to note that there are guttural letters in Hebrew. These letters are pronounced from the throat, and are somewhat raspy. Now you're ready to see the letters. In the next videos, we'll see the letters, and their variant forms.